Hi dear CSS students! So for today we're going to talk about network topologies. But first, what is network topology? Network topology. A network topology is a physical and logical arrangement of nodes and connections in a network. Bus topology. Bus topology uses trunk or backbone to which all of the computers on the network connect. Advantages of bus topology: cheap and easy to implement, require less cable, and the disadvantages of bus topology is difficult to troubleshoot. A break in the cable will prevent all systems from accessing the network. Next, we have ring topology. Logical ring, meaning that data travels in circular fashion from one computer to another on the network. Advantage of ring topology is cable faults are easily located, making troubleshooting easier. Disadvantage of ring topology is a single break in the cable can disrupt the entire network. Star topology. All computers or devices connect to a central device called the hub or switch. The advantage of star topology is cable failure affects only a single user. The disadvantage of star topology is difficult to implement and require more cable. Mesh topology. Each computer connects to every other and rarely used. The advantage of mesh topology is the network can be expanded without disruption to current uses. The disadvantage of mesh topology is it requires more cable than other LAN topologies. Hybrid topology. Hybrid topology is a type of network topology in which two or more different topologies are integrated or combined to a network. Next, we have tree topology. In computer networking, tree topology is a type of network topology that resembles a tree. Lastly, we have point-to-point. Point-to-point topology is a network topology that connects two nodes or devices directly using a private, dedicated line. Advantages of point-to-point are dedicated connection, security, scalability, and high bandwidth communication. Disadvantages of point-to-point is if a link in the network is broke, the entire network will be rendered inoperable.